Welcome to Review Detective, guys. In today's video, we're taking a look at what is possibly one of the best GoPro gimbals for under $200. The GH5 Pro, made by Hohem, is a 3-axis stabilization gimbal that is designed to make your GoPro footage smoother and more cinematic. So let's see how well it does. To start off, the gimbal works with the GoPro 5, 4, 3 and all other similar sized action cameras. You can safely secure your GoPro in the metal mount, which has a slim padding so you won't scratch your camera, but keep in mind not to over tighten the screws as it will leave a mark regardless. Once mounted, you'll notice right away that unlike some gimbals, with the GH5 Pro, the mode button as well as the record button are easily accessible without having to move the camera. This is a particularly useful feature for when you need to change shooting modes on the GoPro. We were also quite impressed by the travel case in which the gimbal comes. Everything is neatly arranged and you can even have it close with the GoPro attached. Inside, you'll be able to add GoPro batteries or additional gimbal batteries by simply removing some of the foam padding. Battery wise, the GH5 Pro comes with a 2600 mAh battery that should last up to 6 hours, and when using a fast charger, the charge time ranges between 2 to 3 hours. But you can buy aftermarket batteries that can last for quite longer, and changing them couldn't be any easier, as you can see here. Batteries aside, the Hohem gimbal is made of aluminum alloy, making it light and sturdy at the same time, meaning you'll be able to use it for longer periods of time without your hands getting tired. You'll also be amazed at just how quiet the motors are. You can pan or tilt the gimbal and your GoPro microphone won't pick any noise. The GH5 Pro comes with an easy to use app that lets you control and customize the gimbal to your liking. Going from different modes like yaw follow, pitch follow or all lock is made easy. You can also use your cell phone to rotate the gimbal from a distance, adjust the speed and much more. And in regards to footage, there's a noticeable difference between handheld footage and with the Hohem gimbal. Here are some examples. So there you have it, guys, the Hohem GH5 Pro gimbal at $189 US. It's affordable, it's well built, and we recommend you give it a shot. As always, if you found this video useful, leave a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and if you know of a better gimbal out there for the price, let us know in the comments down below. Until then, we'll see you on the next one. Review Detective out.